Magic ETL's version control allows you to keep track of every version of your DataFlow created and even roll back to a previous version of the DataFlow. You can find the version control by clicking on the DataFlow and selecting the Versions tab. In this case, we only have one version, which is the initial version created. Let's say that we want to go in and make a change to the DataFlow. We can do that by clicking the pencil icon. This will take us to our Magic ETL work area where we can edit our DataFlow. For example, we can remove this select column transform. Once we save, we will be prompted to enter a description of what was changed. It's helpful to be as descriptive as possible so that we can easily see what changes were made in this version. After saving the change, if we go back to the Version tab of the DataFlow, we can see that there is a new version in the list. The description shows what we entered in the description box when we saved the DataFlow. If we ever want to undo these changes but we don't want to go back and edit the DataFlow itself, we can simply use the version control to revert to a previous version by clicking on these ellipses and clicking Make Version Current. We'll be asked to confirm this choice, and here we can see that Domo has added a new version and the description reads Reset Version to V1. If we go back into the DataFlow, we'll see that the select columns has been restored. The next time you need to revert back to a previous version of a Magic ETL DataFlow, use the built-in version control.